One of the most underrated but powerful tools in Adobe Illustrator is the Shape Builder tool. Whether you're cleaning up messy lines, adding color, or building complex shapes, this tool can make your process much faster and easier. Let me show you 3 ways to use it in your vector illustrations. Clean up your line art. Let's say you've drawn some rough lines with a pencil tool, which is perfect for that hand-drawn organic style. You can double-click the pencil tool to adjust the smoothness. I like to increase it a little bit for smoother curves. Don't be afraid to overlap your lines. It may look messy at first, but those overlaps actually help you create clean, solid outlines later. Once your lines are drawn, select all of them and grab the Shape Builder tool. Now, to remove the extra bits where lines intersect, hold Alt or Option on Mac and drag across the parts you want to erase, or just click on them. This is much faster and more flexible than trying to carefully line things up manually or using the eraser. Just draw loosely and clean up precisely with Shape Builder. Color your art with Shape Builder. Once your line art is nice and clean, it's time to color it. And yes, you can do that with the Shape Builder tool as well. First, double-click the Shape Builder tool icon to open its settings. Make sure Pick Color from Swatches is selected. This way you can use your existing swatch palette. If your lines aren't fully closed, enable gap detection and set the gap length to small. This tells Illustrator to treat near intersections as closed shapes so you can still fill them. Now, with your artwork selected, pick a fill color from the Swatches panel. Then click inside each area you want to fill. Building complex shapes. Another great use of the Shape Builder tool is when you're combining multiple simple shapes into one more detailed shape. Let's say you have a few circles or other geometric forms. Select them all and grab the Shape Builder tool. Now, just click and drag across the parts you want to merge. They become one shape instantly, or you can hold Alt to subtract overlapping areas. This technique is great for building things where you're layering shapes and want to unite or carve them quickly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Illustrator tips. And let me know in the comments if you use the Shape Builder tool in your art as well. Thanks for watching.